our cooperation is not just good for the people of Djibouti and Rwanda. We think that cooperation also gives rise to important contributions for what needs to be done in our region, on our continent, and we want to continue working together in that regard. In the area of trade, investment, we have worked together and we will continue to work together to contribute to the well-being of the African people as we build on what we have given our own people in our two countries. So it's a pleasure once again to be here, and I'm looking forward to another time you visit our country, and I will be back myself, as always. Thank you very much.